In this video, we are going to discuss about preprints and their validity as publications. First of all, we will start with a definition of what is a preprint. A preprint is a version of a scientific manuscript uploaded to a public server. It should include all the information needed to replicate the present work, but it has not been peer-reviewed yet. As soon as it is accepted, it will obtain a unique digital object identifier, DOI, and will become part of the scientific work. Now that we know what a preprint is, let's have a look at what the main difference between preprints and peer-reviewed journal publications are. You upload your document to a preprint server. After 1 or 2 days, it's accepted and posted online, obtaining a DOI. Hence, you can start sharing it with the community. On the other hand, a peer review process involves more intermediate steps before you can share it. First, you select an appropriate journal to the scope of your research to send your document. The editor of the journal will make an initial decision, reject it or pass it to the reviewers. If accepted for review, they will assign people that will check your manuscript. Afterwards, they will come back with comments on how to improve your manuscript or why it has been rejected. You will need to address their comments and resubmit again until finally accepted. This process can take months until finally it receives the green light, that is, getting a DOI so you can share it. In the case your manuscript has been rejected at any stage of this process, probably you will have to start the whole process again with a different journal. Now that we have a clearer picture about the concept and what involves a preprint, we will see 4 main points that support the use of preprints as a useful tool for researchers. First, as mentioned before, after your manuscript is accepted in the corresponding preprint server, you will receive a DOI. You can use this not only to share your findings with the community, but also means that your preprint can be cited in a peer-reviewed journal publication or used in grant application. However, it's also true that in some journals and funding entities, preprints are not yet accepted. Second, it's easy to claim the authorship for proposed methods, results, or ideas. No use because you will get a DOI, but also the server will record the submission date so you can demonstrate that you uploaded it first. Additionally, most of the preprint servers allow a tracking version. This enables you and the public to keep a log on what has been changing from the initial version due to review reports, pre-likes, or general public comments from the social networks. Also, preprint servers have a copyright agreement for which the authors of funding agencies are the owners of the content, and people cannot reuse it without permission. All of this reduces the possibility of scooping, but this particular topic is explained in more detail in Module 7. Third, once you manage to publish a peer-reviewed journal, you can link both the preprint and the peer-reviewed publication. For example, this will make it easier for people without institutional access to get the necessary information and your work gets recognized. And finally, every day more and more scientific journals are promoting the use of preprints. Particularly eLife from July 2021 are only reviewing manuscripts already published as preprints.